Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your rear wheel cylinder. This is what a rear wheel cylinder looks like on your drum brakes. Now this trick I'm going to show you will work on any modern drum brake. It doesn't matter what make or model, pretty much as long as there is a automatic adjuster, and I'll show you what that is. And I'm going to show you how to replace this wheel cylinder without removing any of the springs or the shoes or anything like that. So it's very simple. Remove the drum. All right, so we see right here is the wheel cylinder in question. This is giving me problems. It's leaking internally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me a screwdriver, and normally the way that you would do this is you would remove all these springs and all this assembly, the brake assembly, get everything off the backing plate, then remove the wheel cylinder. Well, that is not necessary. What we're going to do is we're going to use the self-adjuster. We're going to spin it all the way out, and by doing this I'm pushing the two ears on the brake shoes out as far as possible. I'm going to go to maximum travel. Okay. So we're gonna all right. So you're almost all the way to the travel. That's pretty much it. All right, so now that we've got our shoes pretty much all the way out as far as we can go, I'm going to go behind here, right here, and I'm going to put my bleeder hose on there and just open this up just a little bit. The only reason I'm doing that, I'm just compressing the pistons in a little bit. Okay, just to take a little bit of pressure off there. Now, I'm going to remove the brake supply hose. Whoops, it's the 9/16 on this one. Please use a line wrench. Okay. Now I can just slide the old wheel cylinder out. Like that. So I've got the new wheel cylinder, and it's very easy to push the two ears in. Okay. Now making sure that the two ears of the brake shoes are touching the pistons, or they're just slightly there. I'm going to go ahead and put the two bolts back in just finger tight, and I'm going to take the brake line and start threading it in here. Okay. All right, so once that's done, what you need to do is you just need to run the adjuster back in. So we're going to do it the opposite way.